Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular beard trimmers, the Panasonic ERGB42 and the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000. In this video, we will dive deep into their features, performance, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you are looking for precision trimming or an all-in-one grooming solution, we have you covered. Let's get started. The Panasonic ERGB42 features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to handle and maneuver during grooming. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfort during use. In contrast, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000, while versatile with its multiple attachments, is bulkier and heavier, which may affect its portability. Both designs are modern and user-friendly, but the choice depends on your preference for weight and size. When it comes to battery life, the Panasonic ERGB42 offers up to 50 minutes of runtime on a single charge, which is decent for quick grooming sessions. However, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 boasts an impressive runtime of up to 5 hours, making it a better option for extended grooming needs without frequent recharging. This significant difference can be a deciding factor for those who prefer longer usage times. The Panasonic ERGB42 excels in providing precise length adjustments with its 19 settings dial, ideal for users who prioritize accuracy in their grooming routine. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 stands out as an all-in-one grooming kit, offering 19 pieces for various grooming needs, including beard, hair, and body trimming. This versatility makes it suitable for users looking for a comprehensive grooming solution. In conclusion, both the Panasonic ERGB42 and the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 have their strengths and weaknesses. If you value precision and a lightweight design, the Panasonic may be the right choice for you. However, if you need a versatile grooming kit with a long battery life, the Philips is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and grooming